I was really excited about this meeting, and it really topped all my expectations because I was looking forward to build a community, and I feel like I did. I was looking forward to learn from other disciplines tackling climate change consequences, and I did.
What I loved about this meeting is how open people are to exploring the ideas, and it feels extremely fresh to have discussed things that are very basic for science, but people being from different fields makes it very easy to ask the fundamental questions.
I'm loving this meeting. It really feels like the first of its kind, bringing together cell biologists, climate biology, and policy, and coming up with ideas of how we can create this new field.
I'm learning so much from each person everyone is just talking from their own perspective, and it's been super great.
We have all the biology from the very, very small to the very, very large. And I was particularly interested in it because I do cover both ends of those. I cover some very molecular stuff at one end, and I cover ecology and behavior at the other end. And everything in between, I think, can be put to good use in tackling the major problems that we have at this time.